Hey everybody, listings in the GTA are down by 42% from last year's peak. But what does it all mean? My name is Marco Sobrevinas, broker of GTA Home Living powered by Real Estate Homeward in Toronto. If you have any questions at all about real estate, DM me or give me a call or text me and I'd be happy to help you out. Last year, we hit the all-time peak of number of listings in a single month ever in the Greater Toronto Area. That was in June 2025. All residential listings, both freehold and condo combined in the GTA, which consists of Halton, Peel, York, and Durham regions, plus City of Toronto, was 31,630 active listings during that month. We're in the middle of February 2026, and I have the numbers for active listings for December and January. In December 2025, all residential listings on MLS in the GTA had dropped down to 17,470 listings. That's only 55% of what it was last June. January 2026, it went up 3% to 18,231 listings. That's about 58% of what it was in June 2025, or 42% down. Yes, that reduction is a significant number. However, this isn't a benchmark or a turning point, indicating a continuing drop in supply. When you look back over the past half decade and even further, this is simply the usual seasonal drop in active listings during the winter months. It's not a long-term sustained downturn of supply, at least not yet. Now, despite listings starting to rise again now that we're in the middle of February, during winter, both the number of active buyers as well as the average and median sold prices also drop along with the lower MLS listings, which is typical this season. One positive factor for sellers during the winter months, buyers who tend to be out there and looking are usually serious and they're not just window shopping. Yes, there are fewer buyers, but they're usually more committed to buy. And again, there are significantly less listings to choose from. Expected factors to increase as we approach spring. As I mentioned, more listings will enter the market, but more buyers will also enter the market too. And expect prices for the year to peak around April or May, with a secondary peak in September or October. I hope that's been helpful. Give me a call or shoot me an email or text if you have any further questions.